Hello my ogbonge country pipo o. The Oluwo of Iwo wey dem dey call Oba Abdulrasheed Akambi and traditional idol worshippers dem don clash o, no be small gbege. My pipo una welcome to Morning Gist TV. In case you are watching me for the first time, my pipo make una hit the subscribe button o, make una click the bell notification. For all my returning subscribers, say una do well o. My ogbonge pipo, the person wey una dey see im picture for here na im dem dey call Oluwo of Iwo. Im real name na Oba Abdulrasheed Akambi. Na im be the traditional ruler wey be say e dey rule the ogbonge Yoruba pipo for Iwo kingdom for Osun state. According to report, the idol worshippers dem say dem want to go for protest o, 1 million march against am so that dem go dethrone am. Say im blaspheme o, say im dey look down on their God, e dey talk nonsense. According to reports, dem say the Oluwo of Iwo insist that celebrating deities belittle traditional rulers, saying only God is worthy of worship by monarchs. But the traditional religion adherents in the state threa ten to embark on. Okay, wetin dem dey try to talk be that, my pipo una know say no be English na me I dey speak for dis matter. So the thing wey be say the traditional rulers, all those worshippers, idol worshippers, dem don come out o. Dem say why im go talk say their deity no make sense, say dem go, na im dem come call the governor of the Osun state wey dem dey call Governor Adegboyega Oyetola, say make e compel the monarch wey be the Oluwo of Iwo, say make e tender public apology, say because wetin e talk na sacrilege, im don commit sacrilege against the Yoruba deities. Say if e no do that, say dem go do 1 million man march against am so that dem go remove am from the throne. My pipo, una know say dis Oluwo of Iwo na very controversial king. Yes o, only king wey be say e no dey with wife. Una dey hear? Only king wey be say for now. Una know say the people of Iwo kingdom, their blood don dey hot, dem don dey vex say dis man dey do some kind things wey be say dem no understand. Dem no understand dis kind king at all. King wey be say e dey get plenty wife, dis one no even get wife at all at all. According to report, no be say e never marry before, e bin don marry. My pipo, make una no vex, rain dey fall and I need to do dis video. Na im be all dis noise wey una dey hear. So according to report, dem say im bin don marry before. Yes, so e marry one lady wey dem dey call China, abi na China. Two of dem dey for Canada. So all of a sudden im come allege say the babe want to poison am, say for the 4 years abi wey be say dem dey together, say na so the girl carry camera, the woman, the wife carry camera, dey camera everything, anything wey be say dem dey do, e dey video am. Say na enemy na im send the wife come o, since that time wey that wife go, and that wife born am one pikin. Since that time wey that wife go till today, the Oluwo of Iwo never gree marry. Na so to dey do form activities for social media, na im dis king dey form. And the thing no just dey sweet the Iwo pipo at all. Dem no just dey like im pattern, im way at all. Small time e go just go for social media make one kind statement. Some pipo say na because of say e dey very very idle, e no get wife, na im dey cause all dis thing wey dey make am dey talk anyhow. According to pipo, dem just feel say im dey talk anyhow, im dey do anyhow. Im go just dey im go talk one gbowam, everywhere go come dey catch fire, everywhere go come dey shake. Say so the people of idol worshippers, wey dem dey, the association of idol worshippers wey dem dey call TRASCO, dem don vow, dem say dem must stage a protest. Say dem give am 21 days, say na 21 days na im dem give am, say make e come out come address dis issue. If not, my ogbonge pipo, how una see dis matter? How una see dis matter? Because one thing I know be say dis, as a traditional ruler, you suppose to uphold the culture and the tradition of the people wey be say dem bestow their tradition upon you, to as a custodian of a tradition. So dis one wey be say Oluwo of Iwo dey do, pipu just feel say im dey contradict well well, say because they can't even imagine somebody like Oni of Ife, as Oni of Ife dey now, if e don reach the time wey be say im go perform dis Olojo or Ojo festival, im go come talk say im go come belittle tradition wey be say e don dey since, say no way, say dis man no fit for king at all. Na wetin dem dey try to talk, especially when be say e come say their deities, Yoruba deity for that matter, say the way the man dey do na wow. So dem no just agree at all, dem say no way, couple with the fact say im no get wife, dem don already dey announce am say make im do marry, say dem never see where traditional ruler no go get wife, say no way, dem never see bachelor king my people, bachelor king go for Iwo kingdom na im dem still dey battle that one, dem never finish that one, e don go commit again, so dem no agree. So my people, how una see this matter? Wetin me I wan talk for this matter be say, honestly, for this Nigeria we get freedom of worship, and e no good for anybody, whether anyhow, no matter how you feel about wetin somebody dey worship, we get freedom of worship. We are not, you don't have any right to come dey talk down in anybody God. Yes, you no get the right to talk to anybody God. We know say we get the supreme God, and some people don decide say dem no go create, dem no go serve the God wey be say e create that wood or that iron wey be say dem dey serve. Dem say dem want to serve the iron, so you don't have the right to belittle any God. So it is only God that is in heaven that is above every other God. But because of constitutional sake and because of fundamental human rights, you are not supposed to talk down on anybody gods. So na the truth be that. E just be like people wey be say dem dey serve olokuna, you come out now, dey come dey tell dem say their oloku no work, all this. Even if you want dem to repent or to follow your own way, there's a way you can talk to them, they will understand if you go preach to them. But you coming down to talk down on their gods, e no go down well with them. Na im be the thing wey be say e dey cause wahala. And one thing I feel for this life be say, when you come out, when you feel say, when people tell you say you offend them, all what you have to do is to um is to just apologize. Sorry no dey kpeme person, sorry no dey kill person, e dey make things dey soft. Na wetin me I feel be that. So the people of Iwo, mostly the traditional worshipper association, they don really wear their shoe, tie wrapper, say na dem, say dem go dig around with this king, say if not so. And una know say all these traditional worshippers, so they can go to any length to do anything, and they don start by telling the governor of Osun state say make e call this king to order. Then according to report, when the secretary to the media, when the matter reach, press people reach the publicity secretary to the king, the publicity secretary to the king say, say all this one wey be say dem just dey yarn, say im just dey hear am o. E say im just dey hear am, say im never hear am before. Everything wey be say dem dey talk dey new to am. Na wetin be the thing wey be say e reply dem. My people o, na this one now I say make I carry come o. This our WhatsApp abi how dem dey call am, Swagalicious king, e no send o, e no wan know. All the things, the people of Iwo dem dey vex o. Dem say this man no dey do wetin dem suppose to do o. E no dey hold their custodian o. E no dey even dey uphold their tradition at all. So na 21 days o, my people. I go, as things go dey unfold, I go dey let una know. Na here I wan stop, make una know vex, rain dey fall, and I don already dey voice this video before this rain dey fall, and I cannot stop. Una have a wonderful day o. Una bye bye o.